Alright, we've been waiting all summer for this shit to come back.
Chicken sandwiches.
From Popeyes. She got that classic. And I got that,
spicy.
That spicy right here.
Okay, come on, let's try it.
Alright. Go ahead, first bite.
Okay. Oh yeah, they're. This is better than Chick-fil-A. I think so.
You think it's better than Chick-fil-A? Let's get up close on that one. Oh my god.
Try it.
Here goes my bite.
It's really good. You like it? We waited an hour for this chicken sandwich.
You know, we waited an hour for this.
It was worth it.
The chicken sandwich is good. But I don't say it's
Sodas
not.
are watered down though.
Yeah, the sodas are flat. I got the spicy chicken sandwich. I don't say it's not.
One spice.
One spice on this motherfucker, so it's still good.
Ivan, what you think of the fries? Ivan, what you yummy? These are pretty good.
The chicken sandwiches are better than Chick-fil-A, I believe. But these fries right here, these Cajun fries right here.
These are good. And they're fat too.
God damn. Oh, yeah. But it's time to let you guys go. Thank you. Popeyes.